Hello, fifth grade. Welcome to class. Today I'm doing the lesson for March 25th. We are going to be working on 11.6 today. This is your last math lesson that you will work on, and then we have spring break. So hooray, we'll have a little bit of time to chill out and maybe not worry about your homework. Of course, if you're not finished with your homework over spring break, you might have a little bit extra to do. All right, so we started learning about volume yesterday. We learned that volume is what fits inside of a three-dimensional shape. So here's a 3D shape. Volume is in the inside. Don't confuse this with area. Sixth grade, we just learned how to find surface area. What they did is they took the area of this side, this side, this side. Basically what they were doing is they were taking a 3D shape, they were laying it out flat. It looked something like this. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 2 bases. Looks something like that. They were finding the area of each one of the faces, adding them all together to get what's called surface area. Surface area is the total combined area of each one of the sides on your three-dimensional shape. Okay, so volume today, it is length times width times height. We're going to continue our assignment. It'll be a little bit like yesterday. It's just going to take it one step further, make it just a teeny bit harder. You are basically still counting squares. So, if I have a 3D shape, okay, here is a prism. Okay, it's filled with cubes. You need to count how many cubes fit inside of that prism. Really, the hard part about today is recognizing the total cubes. Kids, they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. They only count what they can't see. Sometimes they fail to forget that there might be cubes behind. So, on this rectangular prism, when I look at it a little bit closer, I've got 8 cubes in front, 8 cubes behind. I can't really see these 4 right here because they're hiding, but I know they're there because it's volume. It shows me on my paper that the shape is not broken up. It's a solid shape. It's filled with cubes. So just be careful. That could be the case. Another way that you can always figure this out is just by using simple math. Okay, let's draw a quick picture and see if I can demonstrate how that's going to work. Okay, something like this. In this picture, all right, a little bit better. Okay, in this picture, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes lengthwise. I've got 2 cubes widthwise, and I've got 1, 2, 3 cubes heightwise. Remember, volume is length times width times height. In this case, it's going to be 4 times 3 times 2. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 cubes. And I'm going to remember, put the little 3 there, so cubic units. I am talking length, width, height. Basically what you're saying is there's 24 cubes that each have a length and width and a height to them. So it's going to be units cubed. If your answer was 24 and let's say it was inches, same thing, you would just say inches cubed. All right, hopefully you understand. If you have questions or comments, reach out to me and I can help. Make sure you do the spiral review. Your station work is complete for the week. We had 2 stations. We did one yesterday and we did one last Friday. Tomorrow you will also start your work on science. I'm not going to give you a math assignment. You'll be able to work on science as much as you want. 5th graders, you are working on a heredity project, a timeline. Okay, Miss Fanu and I, we will get together and create a link for you tomorrow that goes over the grading and the rubric and the requirements. But you have those already, so you can do that at any time. All right, guys, I will see you next time you're in class. Have a wonderful day.